We close our eyes for 1 second and send our love and blessings to our mothers and tell them how much we love them. Just close your eyes and hug your mother. Say, Mother, I love you, really love you. Thank you very much. Today I prepared a long lectures, actually 2 lectures. 1 lecture about woman, 1 lecture for my mother. And then I decided early morning that I am going to talk about my mother. It's very original. It's very, it's very, very different than what we talk philosophically, psychologically, this or that. And I feel that all that my mother used to say to my sisters and to me are really not extraordinary, but they carry heavy principles and heavy beauty. And I wanted to share with you her sayings. Now prepare for it. She used to say to my sisters and to me, and she always emphasized this, that you must have good tree to have good fruits. And maybe years and years, she tried to explain the meaning of this wisdom. That if you want good children, you must be a good tree. Your husband or wife must be really good tree, healthy tree. Because from healthy trees comes good fruits, good children. Now this is a principle, it's so beautiful. Of course, healthy physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Healthy in society. Health is very much cherished by those who think about the future. So when you have children, advise them to look for healthy mates, healthy woman, healthy man, so that their children be healthy. Now you can read, for example, in the papers, that many, many children are born with AIDS, with syphilis and gonorrhea, with different things. It's miserable to bring these children to the world and make them to suffer forever. So it carries a heavy wisdom, you see. You must have good tree to have good fruits. It's so simple. And of course, if you are going to bring fruits, you are going to make yourself healthy. If even you were not healthy at the beginning, you can do that. But health prevents future taxations, future troubles and sufferings. And then you feel responsible that you gave to birth to those children that are going to suffer 40, 50, 60 years and cause sufferings to others. It's so important. Now the second thing she used to say, never sacrifice your duty, responsibility, and prestige to please others. It's so dynamic. I remember saying these things to my sisters, 3 sisters. They were fantastic, beautiful girls, very energetic, very talented. And she used to take them in to her room, and very softly but very deeply used to impress these facts in their minds.